ain't no ketchup in the fridge, so quit lying to me. Ain't no ketchup in the fridge, so quit playing with me. You say here's a foolproof plan, it can't mess up. Just click ketchup, you say, but I just look up. 'Cause there ain't no ketchup in the fridge, no, not a drop. There ain't no ketchup in the fridge, I check every spot. You said I'll do it for you, no need to get up. Turn on your phone screen, just click ketchup. Ketchup streaming through my screen. Maybe in a dream, maybe in a meme. One day Amazon might save the day, but until that moment I gotta eat my way. There ain't no ketchup in the fridge, no, not a drop. There ain't no ketchup in the fridge, I check every spot. So tell me what you see, save the delivery fee. 'Cause there ain't no ketchup in the fridge, so quit fooling me. I said, Alexander, what's the plan? He's there gaming, phone in his hand. Just click ketchup, he says with a grin. I bow to your wisdom, let the absurdity win. There ain't no ketchup, not in sight. How am I supposed to eat this Cracker Barrel tonight? Click, 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 but it won't appear. So dry hash browns are my fate this year.